njengoba nazi ukuthi ayikho information eningi online echaza kalula i-finance nendlela nje i-business industry e-operate ngakhona ngesizulu. Ayikho information eningi. Isikhathi esiningi kuba ama-YouTubers from America, kube mhlampe ama-English speaking people noma ama-influencers kuhlezi usetshenziswa English ku-YouTube, chaza ama-terms ahlukene. So le video ifocus mainly kulabantu abakwazi abakhuluma isiZulu aba-interested ngokufunda ngoku-understand i-finance ne-business industry, ukuthi uma ufuna ukuqala ibhizinisi namhlanje iziphi iy'ncwadi okumele uyifunde, iyiphi i-direction okumele ushone ngakuyona ukuze uqale u-unlock umqondo wakho uqale ube nale idea yoku-approach impilo nge-positivity. So namhlanje ngizochaza iy'ncwadi noma ngizo-reveal-a noma ngizolista iy'ncwadi eziwu-5 engineshow ukuthi uma wayifunda uyi-understand indlela obuka ngayo umhlaba noyi-understanda ngayo imali izoshintsha. So nami angena umuntu osenze kakhulu kwi-finance, so ngizozama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi nginichaze ngamagama alula ngesizulu ukuze uzo-understand ukuthi no, lento ehlezi ichazwa ngama-terms amakhulu ngesingisi ichazwa ama-influencers or ama-YouTubers or ama-gurus or ngaba osomabhizinisi abahlezi beyichaza. So ngizozama yonke indlela ukuyenza ibe isizulu njengoba ngikhuluma isiZulu nje. So and the online ayikho i-content eningi ekhunywa ngesiZulu efocus kakhulu kule subject. So okokuqala nje incwadi engisho ukuthi uma wayifunda uyi-understand ku-2025 bona lo nyaka lo, eyokuqala kuzoba i-Think and Grow Rich. I-Think and Grow Rich ngeke ngiyichaze ngoba ividiyo izoba yinde kakhulu, ungahamba uyiseshela wena online, uyithenge online, bazokudilivela yona kule address ozobe uyifakile lapha online. Ungayithenga nje incwadi uyifunde uma ukuthi umuntu ohlala ongekho busy ngaleyo ndlela, yabona. So oqala njengoba ngishilo ukuthi i-Think and Grow Rich, incwadi yabhalwa uNapoleon Hill in the 20th century. So incwadi enhle kakhulu leyo ukuthi ukwazi uku-expand umqondo wakhe, indlela umhlaba obuka ngayo, nezokugqugquzela ukuthi ube optimistic towards impilo. So Think and Grow Rich is number 1. Number 2, i-Rich Dad Poor Dad, incwadi famous yabhalwe uRobert Kiyosaki, mainly on personal finance, echaza ngestori sakhe nge-relationship yakhe abanayo njengoba ethi Rich Dad Poor Dad. Wayenobantu aba-refer as abantu ayebukela kubona ekhula. Okokuqala kwaku-Rich Dad kwakuwumngani kababa wakhe wokuqala owamfundisa kakhulu nge-finance, bese kuthi okwesibili kwakuwubaba wakhe wangempela owayewuthisha ene-PhD efundisa e-university. So usuke echaza kakhulu encwadini ngalezo zinto ukuthi how labantu bababili, umngani kababa wakhe nobaba wakhe, bam-influencer ukuthi understand impilo ne-finance as a whole. So that is number 2. Number 3, The Magic of Thinking Big, incwadi The Magic of Thinking Big, written by the Professor David Schwartz on a PhD. So incwadi enhle kakhulu nayo leyo, The Magic of Thinking Big. So ichazela ukucabanga izinto ezinkulu, like for example nje mengithi mhlawumbe omunye umuntu ongathink big engathi kwimpumelelo yakhe i-success engayiconsider as mhlawumbe ufuna ukuba nemoto, abe nomuzi, ashade, then iyona success again. Kodwa mase The Magic of Thinking Big, khona umuntu ongathinka beyond that. Mhlawumbe umuntu acabange ungabi nalokho kuphela, mhlawumbe uzofuna ukuba nemoto eziwu-10, abe nama-properties mhlawumbe kumazwe ahlukahlukene, abe namabhizinisi adayisa ama-products even overseas. So that's how you think big, yabona, ucabange even beyond ama-national borders. So that's our number 3. Then number 4, How to Win Friends and Influence People. So How to Win Friends and Influence People yabhalwa I think a former FBI officer. So mainly on communication, not with finance, on how to communicate nabantu ukuze abantu bakwazi ukuthi nibe ne-agreement noma nibe ne-conversation normal engenayo tension, how to talk kwabantu abahlukahlukene. So that is number 4. Then number 5, njengoba sengiyilistile lezi zingathi Napoleon Hills, ngathi Think and Grow Rich, ngathi Rich Dad Poor Dad, that's how to win friends and influence people. Then number 5, The Millionaire Fast Lane. I-Millionaire Fast Lane ngicathi abantu abaningi bazoyithandayo ngoba incwadi ekhuluma ukuthi iziphi indlela ongayisebenzisa ukuthi ube rich ngokushesha, kodwa futhi akusho ukuthi ngeke njengoba ichaza ngokukhulu ngokuthi ube rich kuse-early, use-youth, usa-juvenile, usa-active emzimbeni. So ayichazi kodwa ukuthi like uma ithi rich ngokushesha ikhuluma ngo-2 days noma ithi ikhuluma ngo-1 year, ikhuluma ngo-6 months. No, ikhuluma isikhathi esiningi i-concept behind incwadi The Millionaire Fast Lane eyabhalwa u-MJ DeMarco. Ikhuluma kakhulu ngokuthi sebenza kakhulu kusakhanya, then mase uya-retire, then mase u-enjoya umcebo umsebenzi wakho for the rest of your life. So ngamanye amazwi uthi build a business, focusa nje mhlawumbe 4 to 5 years ubuild a business eli-strong, eline-foundation e-strong ezokufakela imali. Then for the entire life impilo yakho izobe ifounder, noma impilo yakho izinto ey'dinga i-finance izobe zifounder leli business leli osul-create-ile. So ilona elizokwazi ukuthi licover ama-expenses empilo yakho. So i-idea lapho, so ngithemba ukuthi-ke so ngizokwenzela i-example nje ngokuthi njengoba ethi builda i-foundation very strongly. So omunye ngaba i-property industry, mhlampe for 4 to 5 years to 6 years athenga ama-properties ahlukahlukene, azama ngayo yonke indlela, fail ebhizinisini, avuka ayithathe, uzama yonke indlela ukuthi abe nemqasho mhlampe i-South Africa yonke, la khona afunda khona ukuthi how to buy imqasho, wenza ngathi nje ungenza kanjani ukuthi ibe legally, ukwazi ukuyi-owner legally ukuze kungabi leli langa kube khona umuntu ozothathela yona esandleni, yabo kube lula nje ukuthi aclaim ukuthi naye imqashi yakhe. Omunye ngabe YouTube channel, ngabe YouTube channel ukuthi ubuild YouTube channel yakho, mhlawumbe yothi isina more than 100,000 subscribers, so balula abantu bayakurecognize vele ku-YouTube. So for the rest of your life ufuna abantu abarecognize ukuthi uma upost video ibuka abantu abawu-100, tens of thousands yabantu. So i-idea lapho ukuthi builda into e-strong for isikhathi leso, then-ke impilo yakho yonke awusahlusuhle, awusasebenzi, uya-retire, then lento sobe suyibhildile iyona ezobe siyifunda onke ama-expenses akho. So injalo. So injalo ivideo namhlanje. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ubuke, subscribe uma ukule video isize kakhulu. So lena ngeke ngiyirecommend uma usayibigina, like uma usasanda ku-understand lezi zinto zokufunda incwadi, uma usafika ka-finance ngoba ijule kakhulu le. So uma ukuthi kodwa usu-understand i-finance, sekukhona izinto ozaziyo among i-industry, then you can talk in it. So ngiyabonga kakhulu. Stay tuned.